Well, hello, Internet. Oh, it's Andrew here. I am very frustrated. I just had a go at this, well, this mess that you can see here. Um, I don't even know what to say. So, okay, here we go. I just had two phone DIY fix fails in a row. One of them is the remnants over there yesterday of the iPhone SE battery change. The battery was getting low, it wasn't working as well, so I had to go at doing a battery. It's not working, but that's okay because I can have another look at it and maybe fix it. The rest of this stuff is a glass replacement on an S8 that failed. Anyway, I'll tell you what happened. So, I bought this kit and it had this in it and bits and pieces, and I watched a couple of videos where someone's trying to DIY it, and it just it didn't do anything like it was supposed to do. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, here we are. So I started taking it off. I used a heat gun. I got isopropyl that you're supposed to use, but this is only 60% or something, 67%. Probably shouldn't use isocol because it probably has some other things in it. Anyway, I didn't end up using that because I didn't get that far, because as soon as I started prying off the screen here, somehow I accidentally touched it and half the screen went black. What I have found out is that this is incredibly hard, and one of the videos, and I'll put the link below, did mention that they have ruined thousands of dollars worth of phones to find their solution. So I don't know what I was thinking really to try to get this screen replaced, but this phone's now ruined. So that's a shame because I didn't really need a new phone. I was quite happy with the S8. So frustrated. So all I can say is, if you want to ever go this by yourself at home, don't. Just don't. Okay? You might seem confident, but just don't. Okay, so a little bit of a technical analysis. It came with these instead of razor blades, this kit that I got, and they're not razor blades. Probably shouldn't use those. So I ended up using this to get it started along here. And I used the heat gun, and then I think I must have just nicked it as I was trying to lift the glass. Because the glass was there's a huge crack halfway through. You can see here, there's a crack, this crack here. That crack up there. When you start lifting it, it's going to push down anyway on the screen, and that's when it's going to completely stuff up. So you can't push downwards at all. So what I should have done maybe was used this thing, shove it on there and go up as I'm trying to pry it up, but I don't think it would have made any difference because it was very touchy. Okay, there you go, guys. Learn from my mistake. Don't do this. Leave it to the professionals. They've got those freezing trays and whatever you call it. Yeah, because this is just, it didn't work. Anyway, see you at the next video, everybody.